Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, yes, I know I'm going to be showing you all about this hair. This hair is so stunning, you guys. I received this hair in black, so I decided to lift it to like a dark brown color because the black was just too harsh for me. So I just thought to do that for this tutorial. So it's so easy. I'm going to show you how I did it. The hair came straight, how I curled it, how I laid it, everything I'm going to be showing you in this video in just 10 minutes. So yeah, if you'd like to know more, keep watching. Hair came from KLAIYI hair. It's so tricky to pronounce. And then it came in this regular like light pink box, and then I just opened the hair. The hair was inside. The hair was soft. It was like frontal wig. Yes, that's what it is. I'm gonna put all the specs of the hair, the length, everything in this hair. It came with this transparent cap, and then it came with the headband, which I'm just showing you now, and just this regular braided hairband. I don't know, it's really pretty. I think it would even go nice with the hair eventually with the way I did it. So that's what came with the hair. And then the hair itself is just really soft, long, and then on the back, as in on the back rather, I had Brazilian hair on it. So that's what's here. That's what I'm just showing you. What I'm doing here is literally self-explanatory, but I noticed that the hair was very well packaged. This is, I think, the first hair that I'm receiving that comes with a carton like this, not carton, what's it called, like styrofoam, just to ensure that maybe it's probably like still laid out straight in transit. So it came quite okay. Everything was good, was soft. I checked the lace, I checked the insides, everything was fine. So here I just put the cap on my head, like the wig on my head, and you guys, you can you see the hairline of this wig? This, I have not plucked nothing. I only have like a stocking cap on there, and I just really like how well customized it is. Although I was still going just to customize a bit, but nothing, just the front parts, because the density was a bit too thick for me there. And this is just it on my hand. I'm gonna put the lace on my skin so you can see it's not white. The lace is not white, it's like brown, but it still does okay. Now for this hair, I decided that I wasn't going to bleach it or do anything too difficult. I just wanted to just lighten it a bit. So I decided not to use bleach, guys. I used only developer to lift the color a bit. Remember, I just said I wanted dark brown, and this hair is jet black. So what I'm just doing here is I'm going to take my True Light developer, and I'm wearing my gloves. I'm going to lay like foil, like regular cooking foil on my countertop. It's just because I don't want to stain my countertops. And then you're going to just place the hair as normal. Can you see the hair is jet black? I want you to take notice of the color. So I'm increasing the light now so you guys can see, and you're just going to dunk your volume. You can use 40 volume developer. If I had that at home, I would have used that instead because it would have been faster. And then you just saturate the entire hair with developer. Now you'll probably use up to like half a bottle of like 1000 ml developer. So this is what I'm just regular 30 volume, and you're going to soak the hair. Ensure that everywhere is covered. Don't miss any spots because that's the last thing you want to do. And you want to also do the frontal parts of the hair so that the roots are not still black. Once you're done, you're just going to wrap it up like this, and you're going to just leave it for hours. I'm talking about 6 hours, so you can do it at night till the next day. Now once that's done, you want to wash it. Can you guys see the difference? I'm going to do it side by side so you guys can see how it was prior and now. It's not as dark. I don't know if this light is doing justice, but in reality it's actually proper brown. Like, it's brown hair, it's not black at all. So here I'm just deciding if I want to like keep it as a side part or all back. I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted. I was just thinking that maybe a side part, but I decided to do something different for this video. That's just my wig cap under. That's what I'm showing you. The blonde one that came with the cap. So I'm just combining it, just playing with the hair. And here I went to go and get like my headband just to see how well it would fit on it if I were to do it as an all back. And it was actually cute. It wasn't bad. It wasn't as bad as I thought. So yeah, I'm just going to go in now, and I'm going to cut off this frontal of the hair, which you've got to do. So I'm just using my regular manicure scissors. So you just want to comb every stray hair away. What I like to do is I don't start cutting from the beginning, like I don't cut it completely. I like to cut from the middle, this part, and then because I want to cut that one over my ears. You guys have seen me do this a lot. You just want to cut it, regular cutting. What I'm doing is self-explanatory, but as you can see, I'm following the ridges of the hair, which is one thing I love about this wig. Like, it's already pre-customized, like they've already plucked the frontal, so you really do not need to do too much. So once you do that, I already know what works, so I can go in and then cut the sides, but you might want to later your head and then cut everything completely. So here I'm just fitting on my head. As you can see, I still left a bit of flap on the sides just to fit it properly. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go in with my regular bold hold glue, and then I'm gonna, you can use got to be, you can use anything, but I wanted this to stay like proper stay because I was wearing it as all back, so I decided to go in with my bold hold. So this is me just combing the sides just to see and showing you how I'm going to cut like over my ears like an L shape or a C shape. So that's what we want to do. So yeah, once that's done, you're going to take your wall hot comb. I've shown this in my previous video on my hair tools, and you're going to, comb that bad boy into place, comb the hair like as much as you can, just to ensure that everything, slicks to the back. And here I'm just using my blasting free spray by Got To Be, and I'm just applying it on the edges, and then I'm going to go in with the regular scarf, but I'm going to put the hair first in a ponytail. Can you see how versatile this hair is? Like, pretty. I'm just covering my nape area properly, and then I'm going to go in with the regular comb everything into place, and I'm going to scarf it down. You're gonna scarf it down for us from 30 minutes to like 1 hour, and then yeah. Okay, so while my hair is setting, wait, let me put on the lights, it's a bit dark. Okay, thank you so much better. Okay, so while my hair is setting, I'm just being a bit undecided. I just want to show you the hair. I think I'm going to curl it though, because I have a lot of straight hair, so I'm probably going to do that now. Just, light curls. Density is okay, nothing nothing too serious, just light curls, and then to the back, and I'll wear my nice earrings, and then I'll be back. Let me see, what curler am I going to use today? Actually, let me use my straightener to curl it. I'm going to use my regular Remington straightener. I'm not going to use the wide plate one. This is the flat iron I'm going to be using. It's my normal Remington one. I'm just going to plug it now and make sure that it gets hot. Ooh, it's getting, that's why I like this straightener. It gets hot like literally like this. Okay, that's pretty. So I'm gonna do this again. So here I'm just brushing the curls out. I know I always do that because I don't like my curls looking spirally. I like them bouncy like this. Can you guys see the brownness I'm not talking about? Like, look at the sheen in this hair. It's just so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I think I brushed this hair for like 5 minutes straight, man. So beautiful. I can tell that it retains really good curls because as I've been curling, you can see that the curls I haven't scattered. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take off my scarf. As you can see, the hair is quite well laid, although it is a little bit of sheen on the edges, like the Got To Be spray, which I'm gonna remove. That's not a problem at all. You're just gonna remove that with a comb. Here I noticed that I also curled my sideburns, like the sideburns I made, but I'm still gonna tuck that behind my ears as well. Just brushing the hair just to see how I want to style it. And then I think this is where I noticed that there was some glow on my forehead, but that's not hard. As I said, I'm just going to use like a mascara wand, like a spoolie, and I'm going to just use that to just comb that out. So here I think I was just playing with the hair, deciding if how I want to style it. And I could see that the hair is quite versatile. You can do the center, side, all back, anything you want to do. So I decided to put like baby hairs on the front parts, just in the middle, nowhere else in the hair. So as you can see, this is easy. I'm using Got To Be gel and a mascara spoolie, and then you just want to curve your hand, hold down the curve, brush it into the hair. Just easy breezy, beautiful. So next up is to use like hair wax just to slick away any flyaways. Luckily this hair didn't have a lot, which I was really pleased with. And then I'm just gonna wear my earrings and I'm gonna come back I'm just adjusting myself, You guys can tell I really, really like this hair. Like, let me just give a review of the hair so far. I'm sure I already is done the job for you guys. It's so pretty. It's beautiful. The delivery came on time. Was well packaged. I have not had any issues with this hair. For shedding, obviously, I tell you guys, like, I feel all hair sheds. But besides that, nothing more. So make sure you check out this brand, KLAIYI hair. I'm going to put all the details in the description box, where to buy, where to purchase, and every other detail I have for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, you share, you leave a comment. Till next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.